name is Alex Walker. I'm a PhD student at the University of Ottawa's Sun Lab under the supervision of Dr. Karin Hinzer. I'm also a member of the Photovoltaic Innovation Network under Project 11, which focuses on multi-junction solar cells based on CIGS. So as part of this project, I visited McGill University to meet with Dr. Me and Dr. Xi's research teams and visit their lab facilities. So on the first day, I was able to meet with Hugh Nguyen, who's a PhD student under Dr. Me, and who's focusing his research goals on the growth of nanowire solar cells and LEDs. So as part of this day, I was able to visit their molecular beam epitaxy reactor and also take part in some of the processes in their clean room, which was very interesting. We also had some nice discussions on the future of nanowire solar cells, which was quite interesting. On the second day, I was able to meet with Xiao Fei, who's also a PhD student under Dr. Mi. He focuses his research on the modeling and simulation of nanowire LEDs and solar cells. So he uses a software called Crossline, and I thought this day would be very interesting because I'm also a modeler, and I use a very similar tool called Centaurus. So we spent the whole day discussing the modeling capabilities of Crosslight, and I was also able to sit down and use the software to play around with the models they have for multi-junction solar cells, CIGS-based single-junction solar cells, tunnel junctions, and a variety of other models. And so I thought this day was very interesting. I learned a lot about the capabilities of this model and enjoyed the discussions I had with Xiaofei as well. And finally, on the last day, I met with another PhD student, Hadley Myers, who's under the supervision of Dr. Xi, and he focuses his research on the Bridgman growth of CIS, which is lacking in gallium. So we had a nice discussion on the Bridgman growth technique that they have in-house, and he also showed me a lot of the types of ingots they're able to grow and how they characterize them. And he's also been able to put together a couple of CIS-based solar cells, and we had some nice discussions on that. And so overall, the 3 days were wonderful. We were able to enhance the collaboration a little bit, and Hadley will also be joining us in the Sun Lab in the next few weeks to take some measurements of his CIS cells. See ya.